Welcome to the heart-pumping world of nationalism. Before we dive into the action, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get this star-spangled show on the road. Nationalism, my fellow freedom-loving compatriots, is like that burning firecracker of love for your nation. It's not just a simple handshake with your homeland, it's a full-on bear hug, with fireworks shooting off in the background. It's a sense of belonging that runs through your veins, making you feel as unstoppable as an eagle soaring through the amber waves of grain. Nationalists shout from the mountaintops about how unique and exceptional their nation is, raising their hands high in pride and unity. Patriots everywhere believe in the power of self-governance, like a cowboy riding off into the sunset with the reins of destiny firmly in hand. They want their nation to call the shots, making political, economic, and cultural decisions without any nosy neighbors poking their noses in. Nationalists wear their loyalty like a badge of honor, showing unwavering devotion to their country. They fly the flag high, sing the national anthem with gusto, and celebrate their nation's triumphs with more fireworks than you can shake a sparkler at. When it comes to national interests, it's all about putting your own backyard first. Nationalists argue that the well-being, prosperity, and security of their nation should take center stage, even if it means ruffling a few feathers in the global coup. Whether it's protecting jobs, securing borders, or flexing some military muscle, nationalists have their nation's back, no matter what. Nationalists know that preserving this cultural tapestry is essential, like keeping grandma's secret recipe alive for generations to come. From safeguarding language and art to promoting national history and values, nationalists march to the beat of their own drum circle, all while waving the flag high. Now, folks, there are different flavors of nationalism. You've got ethno-cultural nationalism, where folks emphasize their shared ancestry and heritage, like a big family reunion with a genealogy chart that stretches back to the Mayflower. On the other hand, civic nationalism embraces shared values, political institutions, and citizenship, welcoming all freedom-loving souls, regardless of where they hang their hats. Nationalism, my compatriots, is like a fireworks extravaganza of historical events that have shaped our nations and set our hearts ablaze with pride. Here are some of the most explosive key events in the history of nationalism. The American Revolution, 1775 to 1783, was the ultimate 4th of July bash, as our forefathers fought tooth and nail for independence, proclaiming the birth of the United States as an independent nation. It was a showdown that sparked the flame of American nationalism and sent shockwaves through history. The French Revolution, 1789 to 1799, was a patriotic whirlwind that swept across the land of croissants and berets. With cries of liberty, equality, fraternity, the French threw off the shackles of the old regime and embraced a new era of radical change. It was a time of revolutionary ideas, shaking up the world and inspiring the rise of modern nationalism. Vive la Révolution! You see, nationalism can bring people together faster than a home run at the World Series, creating that sweet sense of unity, pride, and social cohesion. But hold on to your stars and stripes, my friends, 'cause things can take a turn. When nationalism struts its stuff in an extreme or exclusive manner, it can stir up a hornet's nest of exclusionary attitudes, conflicts, and tensions. Nationalism, you see, has been a wild ride throughout history, sometimes bringing us all together like a stadium full of cheering fans, and other times tearing us apart like rival teams on the field. Its effects can vary like a box of assorted chocolates, depending on how it's manifested and the context in which it operates. Nationalism can have its shining moments and its divisive chapters. So, my fellow liberty enthusiasts, let's remember that while nationalism can be a rallying cry that echoes through the ages, it's up to us to strike that balance between unity and exclusion. Let's embrace our common values and shared identity without slamming the door on those who may be different. And there you have it, my fellow freedom enthusiasts. Nationalism, the fiery spirit that makes us stand tall, embrace our roots, and celebrate the land of the free and the home of the brave. If you loved this video as much as a bald eagle loves a good old stars and stripes flag, make sure to show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, sharing this video with your fellow patriots, and leaving a comment below. God bless America, and remember to keep those fireworks of freedom sparkling bright. This is Bite-Sized Politics signing off.